Hello students, today we will learn how to install and run React.js in VS Code. So to start doing this, we will have to follow these steps. So the first one is installation of Node.js. Here, it is prerequisite. Before installing React.js, you must install your Node.js. So for this, I have already made one video, so you can go through of that one, please. And here I am assuming that you have done that. So after having installed Node.js, then we will be moving to installation of React.js. So we will, in the next step, we will be installing React.js, and after having installed React.js, then we will create a project, and that project is React.js project. Then in the fourth step, we will be creating a hello world program in that project, and then with that program we will run this project, and that will be our fifth step. So to start with this, let us move to VS Code. So now I am in the VS Code. So first of all, you need to move to terminal of this. So here you can see the view is here, and in the view you can move directly to the terminal. And here when you are in the terminal, just change this prompt to root prompt. And in the root prompt, now you can create first of all you need to install your your React.js. So just you can write here npm install, and then use the global symbol here, -g global variable, and then means it will be installed globally. Then after that you can give that React app name, create React, then app. So when you will click on this, it will be installed. Just wait for a while, it will get installed, please. It has, how many, what all it has done. It has npm installed, and it is saying front. So here in the terminal it has installed. Now after it has installed, it will be displaying some message here, npm installed. No, it has installed actually. See, it is saying run npm front for details, although it has got installed now. Now once it has got installed, now after this what you will do, you will create a React.js project. So after having installed, you can run that command now. That is that you will be, instead of using npm, firstly what I did, I installed with the help of npm. This command you can note down: npm install -g create React app. So I have created I have installed the React app. Now after having installed React app, now I'll create a project. So the command will be, for that one is, I'll be using npx command. Npx, these both the application are of Node.js, please keep in mind. So npx, then after that I will be giving I'll be using this create React app to to create my project. So my project name, I will take my project name myproj. I'll give it name as React Pros 1, React Pros 1. And then after I think one is there, 2, I'll write it React Pros 2. And then once you have given this, you can just you can just press enter. This project will be created. So when this project will be created, you will have to look out for this folder, please, and it is at the root C root. So then let us just create this, and then we will be doing the next step. So create and press enter, it will automatically get created. So it is installing your package. First of all, React is there, React DOM is there, React script is there, and CRA template is there. So what all it is installing? It is installing all these packages so that you will be able to import them whenever you will be making your programs, and you will be use DOM there. and with the help of these you will be able to create class component, functional component, and other things, and then finally you will be able to make your project. So just wait for a while, it is doing all the task, please, all the task of creating your project. It takes a little time, so please wait. So now after this it is installing template and other dependencies that from npm. With the help of npm, all the dependencies will be installed. Now it has done. So once it has been done, now after this just go back please, and here we have done two steps: install node.js. We assume that this you have already gone through of that video, or either you got it installed. Then after that we installed react.js with a simple command of installation, npm installation. Then after that we have created this react.js project, and now after this my react.js hello world program is to be made there, and then we will run this project. So let us go back to VS Code, and in the VS Code we were, please, we were in the React.js project 2. So now in the React.js, what you can do in the VS Code, what you can do, you can open your folder, please. First of all you need to open that folder. So now open folder, and here in the at the C prompt you created one project that was React Pros 2. So click on this and select this folder, and once you have selected, you will get all the project details here, what all this project creation did. So you can see here package.json is there, package dash log.json is there, and here one important folder, that is src folder, where we are supposed to work on. And in this one you can see here app css file, which will be used for styling, and js file will be the key file for running your uh, react.js apps programs. And then index file is there, index.js is there, and then one logo file has also been written, has also been placed here. Then report web vitals.js. These are so many other files here, but the important one where we are to concentrate, one index.js, this will be your starting file, and app.js, which is the main file of running your app, react.js app. So let us go to this, and here let everything be as it is, and I will change it to my hello world application. So I'll write my hello world react.js program. So I'll just change the tag, that's all. Here I'll not do much, but in the next programs we can do little more than this. So here, and one more at the below, like in the header itself, in the division I'll write, in the division, in the h1 tag I will write react.js application development. That's all. So I am saving this program here. Now let us go back to our terminal and execute this. So go here, click on this view, and here you have got terminal. Click on this, you are here in the PowerShell. After this, here you can write down npm start. Npm start means it will be starting your project at port number 3000. So 3000 port is for React.js application development. So you will be once it gets installed, it will be launching a web browser, and at port number 3000. So you can see all the details which written here will be available now on a web browser. So I'll just start it and then you can see there, please. So npm start has started launching React project, and it is writing starting the development server. And now after this you can see that it is loading that project at port number 3000, that you can see here. So my hello world react.js project has come up here, and at the bottom, after that, after this window, I have written here react.js application development. So here this is the first application app development of react.js. So react.js application development is very useful from the front end point of view. So with this we are we are at the step number 5. So with this is the end of you know this react.js installation, creation of project and other things. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.